Yeah, I agree. I think you could even start to do even more exotic and interesting things as well. In that, like, in especially in like cash settled perps markets, you don't need the underlying to interact with those markets, right? You need a price feed and collateral and capital kind of trading in them, and so you could theorize like a whole new suite of perps markets by just plugging into kind of AI generated price feeds being produced by these clusters of models on the network, and then using those as the kind of oracle powering markets that are too long tail or too exotic to be supported in kind of existing oracle infrastructures. And so I think there's a lot of really cool stuff you can do even just outside of the existing like market domains where perps are really active.
I met with Hibachi last week. They're an up and coming perps exchange, and we talked a lot about kind of like what the competitive landscape looks like. And there's going to be a lot of winners, right? But right now it's
Hmm.
kind of like Hyperliquid is like the main actor,
Yeah.
but there's going to be a lot of winners. It's a very large market, and there's a lot of space for everybody. I wonder if Allora, if you guys have thought about like working directly with Hyperliquid, for example, and using their builder codes, where perps traders could work through Allora versus working, trading directly on Hyperliquid. Is that
Hmm.
something that you guys have looked at?
It's something we've chatted a little bit on the team. We've been supporting a number of build outs on of vaults on Hyperliquid informed by like Allura strategies for a while. Um, but some of the stuff relating to builder codes is still kind of in the early stages of just kind of like thinking through it on our team, seeing kind of what that could look like basically.